Awesome. Well, we got a section called Secret Sauce.
Listen up, it's the secret sauce.
Secret sauce is for current owners. What's something that's working really well in your business that you feel like other people can implement into their businesses to help them improve?
So I had these questions ahead of time, so I had some time to think about this, and I wrote down pivot and partners. Ooh. So what's worked really well for me is partnering with people that already know how to do this. Most recently, we partnered with Happiness. Tremendous opportunity. We went and hung out with Dave. Also tremendous opportunity. We just got talking about what a highly functional team looks like. That's a highly functional team he's got out there. He's got a staff that enjoy what they're doing. He treats them well. He rewards them well. So partnering with people like that, but even locally, I have a distributor I'm very close with. This outfit out of Texas is helping us do these big projects. Yeah. And we've pivoted repeatedly as called for. And then we found out what works within those market segments.
Yeah. I think that's great. I mean, that's kind of what I was saying too. Like, you did an awesome job of pivoting, and you're doing a really awesome job of partnering with people who are doing the things that either you don't know how to do or don't want to know how to do. So, I mean, I think that's great. And not only did you bring some amazing secret sauce, but you used alliteration. So you get bonus points for that.